park on some low shit. Whole lot of smoke in that Rory, that thing poke. Burning rubber, wearing cameras that was undercovers.
Oh, lovely, 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 lovely. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Just gonna sort out this quickly, and then I'll be with you guys in a second. New month, boys. Fresh month. Let's clear out all last month's results quickly, and then get that browser source happening. There we go. What's happening, boys? How are we doing? Mark Pillay, good morning. Hope you have a lucky day too, my brother, and a blessed week to you too. Chad, Alex, good morning. Charles, good morning. JP, morning, guys and girls. Some money this aim already. Did you get some moves this morning, brother? I'm gonna get you onto the charts now. As you guys know, I only take trades when I'm live with you, Oaks. So we're in this together, boys. I just want to clear out last month's data quickly, boys. Fresh month. Another profitable month. Let's get it. Right, I am ready, boys. I am ready. Fair value gaps. That's obviously what FVG means, right? Fair value gaps. What's happening, bro? Caught that early gold. Oh, nice, man. Nice. Well done, Japes. Well done, brother. Well done. Guys, let's get straight into that gold analysis. Let's have a look at it. Obviously, fresh month. Have to start off for that monthly. So, gonna spend a bit of time on Goldilocks this morning, but I just want you guys to understand my sort of vision going forward, and then we can trade off of that. One thing I don't analyze USDR. I just want to mention. Let's go have a look at where we are after elections, boys. Mark my words. 1920. 19 Rand 20 cents. We're coming. Just watch. 19 Rand 20 cents. We are coming. Just watch. Right. Goldilocks straight off of that monthly, still creating that higher highs and higher lows within the structure. However, what do we see? We see price starting to lose that momentum. The steam isn't that high anymore. That is something that is very important to me. However, there is still no signs of reversal, believe it or not. On that monthly, there is still no signs of reversal. So this is something that I'm going to pay attention to going forward, as I've already created highs and lows within that month. I'm not going to use it as a guidance candle. I just want to look off of that time frame that we can actually go ahead and fill last week's wick number one, and then more so if for the rest of the month we do start to melt and break that level of 22.75, I will then anticipate price to eventually come to retest that major resistance we broke out of in March. So as you can see, for the past 4 years, we actually sat in that range for 4 years and then broke out of it in March, and now we haven't actually retested that level yet. Yeah, so my understanding is going to be that if I can break the level of 22.75, I'm then going to anticipate price to continue to sink down to where we broke out of around that 2,150 level, 2,200 level, around there. So that is something that I'm going to pay attention to as time progresses through the month. Looking at that weekly now, guys, we are starting to create lower lows and lower highs on that candlestick anatomy. However, as we would have known, because we trade the pair every day, we are still within that range. However, we're coming down to the bottom of the range. Sorry, I'm a bit out of frame there. We're coming to the bottom of that range with price now trading below the level of 23.25. I'm already going to anticipate that price can pop down to the level of 2300. That's what I would like to see happen within the week. It could happen within the day. And I'm going to actually start using that as a guide for today. Popping down to that daily. Now, this zone everybody should be very comfortable with because we've been trading it the whole of last week. And this is kind of going to give away. That's what's quite cool to see that JP caught those early sells, because that then shows that he's paying attention, which is good. Because you can clearly see that you're going to have two ranges here, right? So you're going to have your macro range. This is that same macro range that is off of that weekly, right? Popping down to the daily, you have that equal daily resistance levels there. So that essentially means that you have range. Okay, just put that back. You then have range from that high to that low, right? Where are we right now? Yes, we are at a daily level slash 4-hour level slash 30-minute level of support. But from these highs, after breaking 23.25, we can more than likely see 2300 today. I'm gonna anticipate that. I would like to see it today, but let's see what what is actually going to happen. However, the sales is on the table, boys. We've got a price now also popping up on Friday, grabbing that last bit of liquidity at 23.50, coming down to that support level now today, clearing those lows. I will anticipate price to continue further down. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop to my lower time frame and then start to, sorry guys, I just want to mute you because I feel like I'm hearing echo in that background on Zoom. Just watch your mics for me, boys. So now that price is breaking that lows, I'm going to anticipate price to just continue further down. So first and foremost, what I'm going to do is I am going to mark in that current daily low right there, boys, because I'm going to anticipate the re-break of that low will initiate some selling pressure after price has opened, created lows, created highs to re-break lows again. I think it's rock and roll time once again, break the level of 23.15 for sure. Popping down to my 4-hour, this is where things become a bit more juicy, and this is why even though we are looking like we're going to sell off, we need to understand that there's levels that need to be broken before we can actually get involved in that. Okay, so the first areas that I'm going to mark in is, okay, I'm going to explain this to you now. My current 4-hour resistance, I think my DPI might be set a bit too high. And I'll see on the 4-hour there is no level of support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jot back to this level on the 9th of May and use that level as a target if we do potentially break these lows. So that's going to be my target area. Now, what I want to mention, what I want to mention to you now is two things. Okay, first and foremost, where price is rejecting off of now, it's not rejecting because it is a current daily low. If I look to the left, look at this area, boys and girls. This has clearly been an area of liquidity multiple times since what, 5th of April? I promise you I can go back and find even more data from that time. But let's just work with what we have now. 4th of April rejecting there, we're in that exact same price again. So even though, like I've been going on about the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour looking so good bearish, right? The thing is, I can still reject off of this level. So as I go into my deeper analysis, would I say like that? I just want to change my bias actually on the 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this area on the left hand side as a liquidity area, and then I'm going to show you how I can actually use it to trade it. Okay. So hold on guys, I forgot my phone is on loud. Let me just put this on silent. We are locked in, we got no time for phone calls. Right. Adding this level here. Right there. Okay. Now, what I'm going to mention with this level is, guys, that range might look small, but that there is 100 pip range right there. Okay. Now, with that being 100 pip range, obviously, I can get a trade within that. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jot down to my 30 minute, see the area, see there's any LTAs, and then look for trades after that, because I can actually use that range to my advantage. Because is it not true that once price has gotten below these key points, it sold off? Didn't that not happen? And then once it got to these points, it sort of rejected, right? So what does that tell me? That this right here is a range, not so? Isn't that a range? So how can I use that to my advantage where price is right now? Quite simple. I wait for price to get below that resistance. Where's price now? Wow, Miles, we look at that. That's below the resistance. Okay. Price is now below the support. Now price is retesting it as what? resistance, right? So what do we then anticipate that price will then do? So this is where I need to change my bias, because the game has changed now. We are now bearish on that 30 minute, which means that we have a 2v2. And with a 2v2, I can look for buys or sells. For me personally today, guys, I really prefer the sells. And that's what I'm going to be looking for today. Obviously, if that isn't the play today and things do change, I will show you how I can then look forward with price starting to change, right? But 30 minutes, I just want to see that 15 confirm, 15 support level as well. It's going to be a simple play for me today, boys. The rebreak of these lows, and I want to explain to you why now. So if I pop back to that 30 minute and I understand that I'm trading below this liquidity range, more than likely price should drop from those highs to these lows, right? I really don't like the way they've changed the numeric values on gold on TradingView, because now it looks like it's 1000, like it looks hectic. It's actually just 106, right? I don't know, it's something that I still need to get used to. I don't know how you guys are feeling about that change regarding TradingView, but for me personally, I don't like that they've added the combo there. I'm so used to it. Of 7 years of using the same way of looking at the numbers, now it's like, I don't really want to look at it differently. But yeah, boys, simply looking for the re-break of this 30-minute low. Now, personally, I would like this 30-minute to close bullish. Why is that, Miles? Because that then shows that we have a solid support level there. I then want the next 30 minute to start closing below, not just the rebreak of the low, but the actual close below that level, preferably on the 30 minute. I mean, if the 15 minute happens, I guess we can take position, and then for the next one to tap in and start dropping. This is what I would then anticipate for price to then continue printing bearish candles like this. This is essentially what you'd want to happen with price creating lower lows and lower highs in that candlestick anatomy. And then coming from the level where we have that range, we're driving away from the range, we're pretty much getting price at the top, right? Now, just because price is pulling back does not mean I can just go ahead and sell there. Because the thing is, because that is my 4-hour liquidity zone, this current candle can do something like this. It can literally do something like that, right? So that is why I don't take trades on the retests. I rather take trades after the retest and the re-break of lows, because then I have the momentum on my side, which means that I don't have to be in the trade for long. So that's what I'm looking at for, guys. Here I've got my safe sell area. This for me is super safe sells. It's literally going to be a straightforward. I won't even be looking for early type 3s. I'm really good. This will be my no trade range. And then my buy side of life. My buy side of life will only come above quarter pip, 23, 25. But honestly, boys, I don't think I want those buys today. Here's my level here for the buy side of life. The buy side of life. And for that, I pretty much want to see that 2 candlestick pullback, flip price bullish, right? Once price gets above that, then we can look for long opportunities, in opposed to getting in when this trend is still bearish. So instead of getting in the buys early while the trend is bearish, wait for that trend to flip and get involved over there. And that is beautiful market structure. So that's going to be the time I'll be buying. And even so, that will also be aggressive buys. So this is going to be my setup on Goldilocks this morning, boys. It is relatively straightforward. I just wanted to take my time and break it down for you guys. So pretty much at the moment, we have London open in 8 minutes. I don't think we have anything hectic this morning. What I'm pretty much anticipating this morning is major news for NFP on Friday, and the following week for CPI. That's going to be big for me. So look at price right now, retesting that resistance area, holding that resistance area. Literally, for price to start trading below the level of 23.15, I'm good for those shorts, boys. That's going to be my primary target today while I'm on stream, is looking for gold sells. I like the idea. It's a straightforward idea. We have a relatively clean L to A on the left hand side, and we have the range that we can use as a guide. You have your daily also then breaking those lows. Where is it? There we go. That daily breaking those lows, anticipating that it continued right down to 2300. And then your weekly also making lower lows and lower highs. For me, everything is pointing down. Everything is pointing down. However, when I get in, that is the most important point. So for me, I'm going to play the patience card today. And I should then capitalize on that quite nicely, just by simply sticking to my rules, boys. And for this, just to pop it here so you guys can understand what I'm looking for, will be a type 4 execution. Not a type dollar, but a type 4. Okay, drop a 1 in the chat if you understand that analysis. It makes sense to you, and any questions, do let me know. Okay. Cabello, good morning. Sanjay, I don't know how to say that surname, brother, but good morning. Becky Bagley, goeiemorgen. Okay, seems like everybody gets it, right? Straightforward. Guys in the Zoom, are we good? Makes sense. Does that make sense? Because that is what I want to do on gold, the sells. I'll explain to you the buys as well. I'm not going to get into too much depth of the buys, but the sells, I mean, we can see it quite straightforward, boys. If we do flip off this 4-hour liquidity where we are right now, can you see that price is tapping into that? So if we do start to reject there, try to see, I just got a question. Do you think 30-40? I don't understand 30 to 40 levels in the buys. Do you mean like 23-40 like that? Honestly, the only time I see us pretty much getting back above here, boys, if we start to reject this liquidity level and start trading above QP of 23.25. Only then I can be like, you know what, we're rejecting the area, we can look for long. So I need that closure back above this level. If we can get back above that level, remember we still got that 4-hour to flip as well, which is the 2 candlestick pullback over there. However, if we can get it back above the level of 23.25, that can initiate the start of price starting to reject the area for sure, 100%. Vidal, good morning, brother. I am very blessed, thank you. How are you, my good sir? Ronade, good morning. Is it going to touch 23.30 at 1 hour's candle? I highly doubt it, brother. This hourly candle is closing in 4 minutes, my boss. So I highly doubt that, boss. Zeely Bay, good morning, sir. Right, guys, as usual, if you are new to the channel, we stream Monday to Thursday on YouTube, live every day for free. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's get that likes up. We've got 44 viewers. Let's get that likes up to 30 likes before I look to share a position today. Run up that subs. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications. We go live every morning, Monday to Friday for YouTube, and Monday to Thursday on YouTube, and Monday to Friday on the private MFX membership. That is where you can obviously level up your trading and not just pop in for the live streams, but actually become a MFX member and learn how I trade, get mentored by me, etc, etc. Yeah, so if you want to level up your trading, that would be your best bet. But let's run up those likes, guys, and if you aren't sub to the channel, do hit that subscribe button. One hour candle make a long week. What do you think? I literally explained my analysis to my brother. So it's either going to look for continuation shorts down here, or I'm going to look for that flip on that 30 minute and look for buys above 23.25. As simple as that, guys. Okay. What is GBP JPY doing? I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to trade GJ in these areas. It's just not appetizing for me, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll mark out my macro 4 hours, and that's about it. I'm just not interested in trading GJ with all this choppiness. So there's nothing to it. It's just I don't want to trade in the choppiness at these all-time highs. We haven't been here since 2015. 2015, if I'm not mistaken, if I remember Sorry, no, 2008. We haven't been in this area since 2008, boys. I don't want to trade here. I don't want to trade here. So for me, I'm not going to trade GBP today at all. I'm good. Because we look at two things now. We're in areas where price has not tested chastity since 2008. And then also you're in an area where on the fund, not that I'm a fundamental trader, but we also need to understand the strength of these currencies, right? At the moment, the Fed rate percentage is so low on the yen, nobody wants to invest there, which means that the yen should continue weakening, which means that the yen should pay more for pound, right? So that's more than likely why the yen will continue, well, pound yen should continue to go up. Which I don't use that as my analysis or whatever, but it is something to think about. We can't be blind to the fact about that. So for me on GJ, boys, I will rather miss it. I'll let GJ do what it needs to do. Get away from the choppy area. If it means I miss on a move, I mean, if it means I miss out on a big move, I'm chill to that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm rather just gonna just mark on macro areas. And for me personally, if GJ does break the highs, I will get involved. However, this pullbacks, I'm not interested in that until it breaks this current 4-hour support level. This whole range over here, I'm not keen on trading. It's either I'm going to look for shorts below the level, or I'm looking for longs above the level. Very straightforward. I don't want to trade the range. I'm okay with that. I'll rather wait for price to get outside the range and then look for positions after that. Okay. Straightforward. That's really straightforward, boys. Straightforward. For now, I'm just gonna chill on. What I will do is I'll definitely put a price alert on GJ, so that if we do break that area, I'll be notified. And on gold, it's just about waiting, to be honest with you. If price just rips now, nothing I can do about it. Remember the primary idea behind all of this. Just because price moves a certain way when you know the momentum comes in, don't let that change your plan. What changes did you make to get profitable? Sure. I think okay, this seems like a long question, so I'll get into that now. What lot size does lot size matter on trading plan? 100%. 100%, my brother. If you don't use proper risk percentage, you might find yourself like that dude from last week where he was panicking. He thought he was gonna die in a trade. I still find this so hilarious. If you don't use proper risk management, if you aren't, yeah, there's a lot to it. There's a lot to it. You can't just willy-nilly place lot sizes. I do 1 to 2% of my starting balance. Or let me rather say account. What changes did you make to get profitable? A lot, brother. But 95% of it was my psychology, which was my routine, my discipline, my risk management, the times I trade. Yeah, there was a lot of steps that I personally had to do because I was really going the wrong way, because I'm self-taught. So it took me 2.5 years to become profitable. It took me a while, but it was 100% worth it. 100% worth it, because I learned so much in that time. But honestly, for like people that come into the industry now, like maybe you, because you've asked me that question, I don't know, I could be wrong. Find yourself a consistent mentor. That's the first step, and it's the easiest step. Find someone that can live trade in front of you and learn from them. Take their course, go under their mentorship, and let them guide you. That will be the easiest way for you just coming in the industry, in opposed to going through all that ebbs and the flow, think you can watch this YouTube streamer and that YouTube streamer and you think you'll get profitable. It might help you for sure, but the amount of time you're wasting, that's the biggest thing. Yeah, in this industry, you don't want to waste time. You want to learn the right way from the get-go and then apply yourself day in, day out. Because it takes a long time to get your psychology right, to get your risk management right, to get your how can I say, your mindset in the right, how can I say, in the right place. 2.5 years is short period to profit in trading world. Very true, very true. Now I agree with you. For me, it just felt long though. It felt long for me personally, but I agree with you. 2.5, 2.5 years is a short time to become profitable, especially in this industry. But like I said, just find yourself a solid mentor, brother. Go to someone that can provide you with a course like myself, so you can join the Millennial Forex community and learn from us, and we'll guide you in how to become as consistent as we are. National Darren, I was wondering where you were. I'm using $100 to make $26 and compounding it after reaching. Okay, I'm just gonna say okay because you are looking. So what you're telling me is you are looking to make 26% of that account a day. That is crazy, brother. I feel like it can happen, but there's no risk management there, brother. Redwan Ali, what do you think about the current gold movement? Yes, sir, as my analysis has explained, you can rewind the stream and you'll see that. I spent about half an hour on it. We are looking for buys above 23.25. It's not my preferred trade for today, but if that is the play, that's the play. For those that's gonna ask a million questions, I promise you, if you do this, where is this thing? If you just go ahead and join the mentorship program, all your questions will be answered. It's as simple as that. For the level up trading, there's the link right there. Straightforward, easy. There you go. For sure, Zilly. I'm risking 30% of my account, taking 20 pips with. Holy crap. Yo, you actually in the casino. You're actually in the casino. Because that is wild. Risking 30% of your account. Imagine having $500,000 and risking 30% of that. I think I would have a heart attack. I think I would. I think I would. That's wild, guys. The best advice I can give you now is stop playing with that small accounts thinking that you're going to flip them. Rather use them as a stepping stone to guide you into learning how to manage accounts and then go look to trade larger capital. If you can't afford larger capital, education, train yourself, learn the skill, go do a prop firm challenge. For that, go to Vault Funder. But this trying to flip accounts and stuff, you think you're doing the good thing now. You think it's working for you lekker now. Yeah, no, I flipped $100 to $300. You think it's working for you. But long term, I promise you, you're jeopardizing your mental state. Come back to me in 4 years, or 5 years even. Shit, even 3 years. And then we can have the same chat again. And you'll understand why I say so. I did the same thing when I was younger. Flipping $20 accounts to $1,000. Bro, your mindset is so... Sorry, not your mindset, your mental state is so like on the wire all the time that you without realizing, your emotions just become mad. Because essentially what you're then saying is you kind of have to win almost every single trade. It's easy to do that every good luck here and every good luck there. But yeah, boys, consistently over the long term, not gonna happen. I saw that, Vince. No, we're not, bro. No, we're not. Nice. I caught you. I caught you. Shout for that link there, Charles. But yo, guys, as we have now pulled back, did you ever challenge yourself $20 account to what the fuck? $52,000. You are gerook, me bro. You are some other bower. Because that is why would I need to do that? Masamur. That is wild. No. I've never challenged myself to do that, and there's no point in doing that. Sus. Guys, for me personally, trading is my bread and butter. It pays my bills. It feeds my family. It does a lot of shit for me. Which means that for that, because I'm doing it full time, I need to do it consistently month in and month out, right? There's no time for this gambling shit. If I want to go gamble, I'm going to go to the casino, which I don't do anyway. But if you think trading is here to make you a quick flip and a quick buck, sorry sir, but you're definitely in the wrong place. If you want to use it to build a foundation and learn a skill that can change your life for the rest of your life, you're in the right place. Then trading's for you. But if your aim is to flip accounts and do all of that shit, I don't know. No, I personally don't need to do that, brother. There's no sense in that. What is that going to teach me? What is that going to do for me? What is that going to do for me? Like, realistically speaking, what is the challenge going to do for me? If I want to do a account flip challenge, what benefit is that going to do for me? Nothing. It's probably just going to give me more stress and more grays, and then my hairline's going to recede even more. So looking at your prices right now, guys, you're obviously making that support level there, the resistance. So now I want to see, is price going to close above that level and start driving off, or do we start to reject that area and drive down? Many traders try that thing's engagement. I think posting a video so many views. I hear what you're saying, but many traders do that because they aren't consistent. So flipping the accounts is all they know. That's why your social media gurus, furus will do that. Because they're trying to sell you the wrong idea in trading. Oh no guys, I flipped $20 to $1 million. That's why we can get silly people coming to the chat and telling me, oh, all I want is 40 pips to flip $1 to $9. That's the common influence on social media. Show me traders that can live trade in front of people and make consistent money every month. Why don't people post that? Because they can't do it. Any monkey go and flip an account. Shit, I can get my brother to go do that. I can get my 13-year-old cousin to do that. But actually grow an account month in, month out, that is what people can't do. So that's why they don't post it. And that's why Millennial Forex does this live every day, to show you what trading is. That's all a misconception. People forget that trading is very well said. Very well said, my brother. Very, very well said. But it's a lot of the thing is, that's what social media unfortunately has painted the picture of to people around the world that will just start trading. They think you can come in the industry with $20 and no education and turn it into $5,200. Sorry, what did you say? $52,000. That's not gonna happen, boss. Yeah, many traders not posting, for sure. For sure, brother. That's why you won't find a lot of traders live trading, because they can't trade. They make money off of their clientele. They can't trade. And then even if they do take a trade, they won't post the losing side of it, which also makes the media think that you don't lose in trading. Bro, you lose in trading, trust me. You lose in trading. It's 100% guaranteed you will lose. And if you are a person that is taking trading seriously and you can take the loss, then you can definitely make it work for you, brother. Because you will always lose. I'm 7 years in the game, I still lose. 13% of the time this year, I lost. I've taken 71 wins and 11 losses. Do you see that there's still losses? However, if your profits is bigger than your losses, you are fine. It's literally like Charles said, like a business. In any business, you're going to lose. You're going to lose clientele. You're going to lose, maybe you building a wall and you built the wall wrong, so then you take a loss by what? All the material that you used. You have to pay your workers extra now, maybe because they have to spend more hours. It's like any business. That's why your mindset in trading is so important. And that then once again answers that question of Zealy Bay. Like the biggest thing for me was just my psychology, my mental state, my routine. Regarding doing chart work, that wasn't the thing that kept me behind, bro. And that then also stems to the reality of trading is beyond the charts. People don't understand that. No, Vidal, I think you see that link that's in the thing, that Patreon thing. Do yourself the liberty and not waste your money trying to flip an account and try and think of the most weirdest shit. Take that, take my course. Go click on that link, take my course, get mentored by myself, and you will see your mindset will change immediately. Because we predict markets every day. I only trade one session, and I only take 1 to 2 trades a day. If I win one, I'm done. That's all I need. I don't know where your mindset is, but see that link there? Click on that link, join the mentorship, and get guided the right way. Because your questions is wild, bro. Where you from? 47 viewers. 47 viewers. We're going to do flag at the end of the stream anyway. Drop your flag in the chat. Let's see where you're from in this world. I'll use that for flag at the end of the stream. How did that 15 close? See, the 15 closed above the level, but there's not a nearby 5-minute support. So now their price is closed above, guys. I want a nearby 5-minute support. So preferably I'm going to wait for the 30 to close above. Once I get the 30 to close above, then I'll take it. I would have been more adamant about getting into gold buys above the 15 high if that wick was longer, because now I would have seen that as a bigger liquidity grab. I just have this feeling, obviously I can't trade feeling to trade what I see, but I just feel like price has created a little wick to pop up, grab liquidity, and then to flip down. And if that's not the case in the drives, awesome. But the problem is with me just getting in above this 15 candle. Right, so the thing with me getting in above this 15 candle is where I pop my stop is quite aggressive, because I then have to base it off of this 5-minute low right there, which would be like a 23 pip stop, but it's not really like a solid support for me, man. So for me personally, boys, I see this setup, it's not enough for what I want today, especially the first trade of the Monday, of the month, of the week. I wanted to have the highest probability. Now this thing can rip 100%, but for me personally, it's not enough. I don't have support since the current daily low. So that's why me personally, I'm not going to take the trade based off of the 15. The 30-minute is what I need to close above. I also have candlestick resistance to the left hand side. Do you see that? So price can tap into that and start rejecting. I don't want to be caught in any of that heebie-jeebie. So for me personally, I need that 30 close above. Once I get the 30 close above, preferably I'll then also see a 5-minute support near that level, and then something like that. So for me, I'm gonna wait. Hope you understand that. Okay. don't know what that is. But yeah, any question you guys can let me know. But for me, the trade rips, it rips. I'm just not gonna be part of it. From Indonesia, welcome, brother. As tempting as it is, obviously, guys, I have to just stick to my rules at this point. And that would be type 4 longs. Are you a SMC trader? No, I am not a SMC trader. No, I am not an SMC trader. Guys in the Zoom, you fine. Jason, did you take any trades this morning? You in? Jesus, okay. Well done. Base of the 5? Okay. Well done, boy. Oh, Mark. Probably, Mark. Probably, brother. Probably, eh? Probably, bro. Yes, that's but early morning with the jokes. Yeah, Ivan, man. Were you the dude last week that said he grew $200 to 18K? Was it you? I think so. Because there was someone else last week that said something like that, 18K as well. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, 30 close coming in 8 minutes. The 30 close is gonna flip this script bullish. And once you start closing above that level, you know what I'll do is I'll start looking for a bottom wick and a flip of the next flippy. Oopsie. Flippy. the flip of the next 30 to start driving. And I'll take that. Does everyone understand why I didn't take that early longs, boys? Look, it made sense if you had based it off of the 5, but for me it just wasn't enough. with that 15 support being all the way down there. But it was a type 4. That was your 50 minute type 4, so the setup was valid. See now, if price, what's time? If price closes below this level here, and if we start rejecting that resistance and we start closing back below that QP, boys, what I'm gonna do is I'm looking for type 3. Type 3's down. Why is my thingy? You need to eat. Bro, what is going on? Why is the whole of South Africa getting sick? No, it would have been better for me if the 5 minute consolidated a bit. I don't know if that makes sense. But for me to have taken that trade personally, but like off that, it's not just that maybe would have needed a bigger bearish candle. That's not the point. What would have needed to happen was we would have needed some sort of chill time there and then price to drive. Yeah. $15 rejecting quite hectically, eh? And that is off for that 4-hour liquidity zone. Check that out. Very curious to see how this 30 minutes is going to close. Because if that 30 minutes starts closing back below QP, I'm going to look for type 3 shorts down. That's what I'll do. And if it closes above, I'm going to look for the flip of the candle to drive up. We should get a trade in the next 6 minutes. So, yeah. Wow, in the liquidity also. I still like to sell ideas. Hectic. Seems like you might get that close below the level. That's just gonna be crazy. Let's see here, boys. This is gonna tell a big story here where this 30 closes. where the city closes is going to be a big story. But in the meantime, guys, let's hit that like button, run up those likes, and sub to the channel. $60 viewers, only 20 likes. That maths is out, boys. Damn, we might get a close below. Look at this. It's crazy. 40 seconds. How big is this wick? 40 pip wick. Three seconds closure in liquidity. So I definitely can't do the continuation buys, guys. Not with closure in the liquidity level like that. That still has not shown me that we above quarter pip. Now, one thing I want you to notice is you'll see that there's a 2 candlestick pullback right there. Price has closed above it. However, we closed directly into the liquidity zone, so that's not telling me that we can continue up. I would have loved it to be a floor here, so I could have done type 3s down. I just can't do it yet. I would have, if there was a 5-minute floor, I could have done a type 3 execution short, but not yet. So I'm gonna have to wait, guys. I'm gonna have to wait. There is no setup for me at the moment. Yes, you are at your 5-minute liquidity level, but for me personally, there's nothing I can do off of that yet. I need more confirmations. Gotta wait. Yeah, give me a second, I'll be back shortly. Okay, so the only way that I can get in on sells, say for example, this 30-minute closes below the level, I'll then look for shorts below that area of 23, 22. And on the contrary, if this 30-minute rejects off of this area that it is at right now, so you see there's a level there. If we have now broken that resistance, came back down to grab liquidity and start popping back up, that's when I look for longs. However, if we start trading below this area like that, I'm gonna look for shorts down. So at the moment, I just need more time to print more data, which is candle closes, and once again do that, then I can get involved. But until then, I can't do anything, boys. So let's see the next 5 minutes where she closes. Three minutes. Okay, 50-minute closure coming up in 50 seconds. Let's see how she closes. Cover stream got to go already. Well done, Gibby. Well done, bro. See you next time. Cheers. Okay, nothing for me here, guys. For sure, Gib. Edgar, what's happening, bro? Shot. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that. This is going to be a key area for me right now. If this 5-minute support breaks, that's going to be the sell-off. First 15 minutes to re-break that low right now. It should then sell off after that. But the 30-minute closure for me is super important. As much as I would love to sell it there, the 30 is still open. And this 30 could still grab liquidity and fly. As you can see, there's liquidity to the left-hand side. Gold? I'm not taking this position, I'm just seeing something. Just want to see something. I love turtles. What the? Brother. But you can do whatever you want, brother. How's this hourly looking? This hourly could flip as well. That'd be insane. Guys, we're like 9 minutes away from 30 close. I think the best idea to do is wait for that that 30, 15 and hourly to close. That's gonna be the best. Because we know that from that, whether it flips bullish or drives bearish, the thing is the next candle is going to create the top or bottom wick on the next one. So the wiser thing to do is just to wait this extra 8 minutes and take positions after that. Just gotta wait here. But in the meantime, if you aren't subbed to the channel, if you haven't liked the stream, hit those buttons. Road to 1,000 subs. We're not far. We are not far. Almost there, boys. Maybe we should do a giveaway at 1,000 subs again, like we did with 500. Five resistance hold. I like this now. We've got resistance and support at this area, so I can either type 3 it or go for type 4 longs with this next closure. I like it actually. I like it. Five minutes, boys. I'll be back now. 15 close, 30 close, and hourly close in the next 2 minutes, boys. Let's see what we're dealing with. Let's see what we're dealing with. That 15 starting to break above that previous. I like that. I like that. Because for me, this 15 can start closing above this level. I will look for 15 longs. For sure. 30 also coming up for close. Hourly also coming up for close. Let's see what's at stake. Gold should touch 2300 above fib expansion. Okay. Alright, my brother. Let's see how well your fib does for you today. Hourly doesn't have a bottom wick yet. It has a bottom wick, brother. It has a bottom wick, bro. I like turtles. Let's see. Closure in a minute. Let's see what's happening, boys. I will be looking for that long setup if we close above on the hourly 30 and 15. The setup is going to look something like this. Only 4 bips above. Let me get above that resistance. So if I get this closure above, boys and girls, I'll be looking for something like that. With my stop loss there for 40. And then targets will be the resistance high. That'll be the idea behind it. Okay. Then you got your 15 engulfing. Beautiful. Hourly. Closure above. 30. Closure above. You just want the next candle to give a bottom wick first. And as it flips and drives and breaks the high, I will initiate some long positions. Alright. Only way I could lose is that the 4 hours still bearish. That's the only way I could lose. Other than that, should be good to rock. Okay, got it. 5 close above, 15 close above, 30 close above, hourly close above, bottom wick being created first. This is what I want today. Okay, this is going to be my setup for this morning. It is going to be entry 23. 27 flat. Okay. Stop loss 39 pips. TP1 right there for 10. There's your overall TP for 40. Can I have a TP2 at 20 pips? Let's target this resistance. What is that? What is that going to be? 23, 22. So I'll be good with 20. That wick fill, right? That wick fill, bro. That wick fill for a shizzle. Okay, this is my trade idea. This is what I want this morning. Let's see how she does for us. Right. Suleiman. What's up, my man? I'm doing very well, thanks. Beautiful, blessed week, blessed month of June. How could I not be doing great? Hope you're doing good too. Haha, haha, Dazzy. So yeah, we know what we're doing. Well, I know what I'm doing. Don't know about you guys, but I know what I'm doing. I've told you my plan, what I'm doing. I told you how I could lose the trade. Told you where my stop loss is. I told you everything you need to know of what I'm doing. How you perceive that, it's up to you. Let me fix members in the chat. Are we good? Still no top wick on the 30 hourly and 15. I would love to do the flip of this body right now actually, but I think I'm gonna wait for that high just to be a bit more cautious today. So obviously I could jump in 10 pips earlier, but I'm gonna apply caution and just take the conservative trade above the high. Yeah. No aggressive miles today. We play the conservative card. Conservative card today, boys. And then obviously on the contrary, if it starts closing below there, you can look for shorts, but just note that the hourly and 30 doesn't have a top wick. So I can only start looking for shorts if this candle closes out below there, but until then it's not what I'm seeing. The moment you've got that closure above, you're grabbing liquidity. You've grabbed liquidity from the zone that you've tested. So there was your resistance. There's your grab of liquidity. Price should continue driving to the upside. As on price action side of things, you are doing this right now. You are doing this, right? Okay, good. Well, I'm glad to hear you good, brother. So you see, if I had gone in aggressively, I probably would have been in now. But for me personally, I just want to avoid this. You see that? I want to avoid that. So that's why I'm taking my trade later. Because I really don't want something to happen like this where it just taps in and starts dropping. You with me? So that's why I'm waiting for a bit more conservative approach and getting in above the highs after it grabs liquidity, etc, etc, because then I'm going to anticipate that as it breaks that previous 15 high, it then just continues with its momentum. So yeah, that's why I'm waiting, guys. Any questions, you guys can just let me know. $23.27, right? Me personally, I am placing buy stops now 23.27. That's what I am doing, okay? Gold sell. Oh, lieve Hilda, lieve Hilda. I need the bathroom. Okay, personally, I have 23, 27 as buy stops. That just triggered me in right now, so I'm actually in this trade. So I'm in these gold buys right now. Just do this. Someone's gonna ask me the question. Fast, you don't know. Where's the yes I am in? Oh, I don't have it. I never saved it. Yes. I have to create one of these. I am in. Ta-da. Okay, so currently in these gold buys right now. Stop loss 23 20 what? 20 23 23. Entry was 23 27 flat. And TP1 23 28. It should actually be 27. Just double check. Should be 27. Okay. No, you're right. 23. Yeah, it should be 28. My bad. My bad. Entry was 27. And then TP2 will be that candlestick high for 20 bangers. Okay, so this is the trade that I'm currently in. Let's see what she does for us. Good morning. 2G's giving away 10k fun accounts if they get 80 more subs. So what am I supposed to do? What must I now do? Nah, nah, that's still. Hey, fuck. Goldilocks, Goldilocks. Okay, my idea would be that if we start to rip down, let's say that is the case, it would be that it couldn't surpass these levels here, boys. But you've got your quarter pump liquidity there, so it should still drive. I'm just quite happy with that stop there. I don't want to risk more. Let's see what's happening here. Why is people removing their comments? You must say it with your chest, guys. Why do you guys comment and remove? You must say it with your mouth. Bavik gold? What? Gold sell from 23.21. My word. Hey, are you holding it from 23.21? Damn, boy. GG, man. May the pips be with you, boss. Why isn't my thingy here? Cheers, brother Dan, the black one. Why isn't my sub alert going off? Did I change something? I don't know if I changed something. I didn't. Weird. Weird. That sub alert, I don't know why it's not going off. I really don't. Yeah, buddy. Right, let's see. Okay, there it goes. Weird. Shot fire him for that sub, my brother. I appreciate that. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, gold. Push, baby. Push, baby, push. Let's, what should we, build some rockets here for gold. Yeah, Vince, I told you. I told you this. I told you this. I told you this, my brother. I told you that it happens. I don't know how, but it happens. I think it's. I don't know. I don't know. It's the most mind-boggling thing I've come across. Looks like it's building structure upside. Yeah. It's just that to the left-hand side you have that liquidity there, boys. So that is the current issue on that 15. There is that rejection areas to the left-hand side. That is obviously what is making price struggle over there. But for me personally, if this price is going to start coming back down here, I might just close that position early at 26 pips, because it shouldn't come back down. I should literally just be grabbing the liquidity over there and start driving up. Are you in a buy? Hey, XA. I thought that with me writing, yes, I am in, you'd... Huh? Really, Owens? Really now? Guys, I'm running to the men's room. We have stop loss. I have a TP. I gotta go. I gotta go. Bro, get a new mic. Buy me one. Buy me a new mic. I think my mic is fine, bro. But if it's bothering you, buy me a new mic, bro. Send it. Nah, for sure, 100%. Totally agree. But I think the quality on this mic is pretty decent. Where is this thing now? Bro, something I wanted to do. What did I want to do? Oh, yes. Okay, guys, so I'm just letting this straight run at the moment. See what it wants to do. I don't want it to really break that previous low. However, because the QP is there, I'm relatively chill, boys. Because he was going to come down here again. It's going to show me a lot of indecision in the market. AT 2020. Let's check what that is. I don't even know what that is, bro. Cool. Jordan, what's happening, bro? Where have you been, sir? Oh, your medicals. You did your medical training today. Three. No ways are you getting sick as well. How is... Bro, literally everybody I know is getting sick. Fuck, man. What is going on, guys? Damn, dog. Literally everybody I know is getting sick. Is this like post-election sickness? Did they put something on the pens that everybody got sick or some shit? Wild. Oh yeah, Vince, are you recovered? No ways. I was sick Saturday afternoon and yesterday. Like, just wasn't having it. And I have a bit of a heavy head now, but nothing crazy. Possibly is the change of season, yeah. You know what, you must get a, what's that thing I had yesterday? Flu tea from Kauai. Just go get it. Or Google the ingredients and you make it at home. It actually helped me a bit yesterday. And then I had a flu shot yesterday as well. Also from Kauai. Okay, that's good, Vince. 30 closure coming up right now, guys. Let's see what's happening. There's nothing really I can do. I don't want to over manage the trade, which means I don't want to close the position early before it starts driving. Cookie, hello Cookie, Cookie Lookie, are you a full-time trader? That is correct, sir. I am a full-time trader. That is correct, sir. Oh, oi, Vince, pray for me also, eh? Don't leave me on this. Me too. And you know what the weirdest thing is? Like when I was down and out the weekend, the main thing in my head is like, shit, I gotta stream on Monday. I gotta take care of my students. I can't be sick. More worried about you guys than my health. As if these people worry about me. I was like, nigga, just get better. Does that mean no Call of Duty, Jordan? Wait, you threw up? Damn. Okay, so what I want to see right now, guys, I want to see it break and flip its own current high. Once it breaks that previous high, I'm going to take the liberty of going to break even. So you'll see I'm going to go to break even slightly earlier. I just don't want to be caught out in this area on the left hand side. But we should go. I mean, we've grabbed the liquidity. If she is gonna, you know, continue, now's the time. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna play this cards right now, guys. Everybody, I'm going to break even. And there's TP1 hit. Boo, 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 boo. Lekker, man. Lekker, man. TP1 hit. W's in the chat. Stop set break even. I've secured partials. That's another one for us. First trade of the month. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Put a W in the chat if you caught that. Put a W in the chat if you if you learned from that shit. Oh, beautiful, man. Caught these beautiful gold longs live on stream. Let's get those W's in, boys. Lovely, 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 lovely stuff. Bit of a long trade, I'm not gonna lie. But she played out. Oh, there you are. Hello, sir. How are you? Ten 24. No, I'm lying. Wait. Hold on. 10:08. 10:08. So it's about a 20 minute trade. Yes, it sounds like you under the water, pal. Yeah, it sounds like it's only the water shop.
I'm using my laptop mic.
Come, gold. Let's go. Come on, gold. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That, ladies and gentlemen, is our 72nd. 72nd? Is that how you say it? 70, yeah, 72nd win for the year. And that is our first win for the month. Yay! Yay!
Hello?
Hey, bro. Is that dog snoring? Is that dog snoring? Is that the dog though? Yes, yes. What dog is that? That dog is snoring. YouTube can hear that. Really? Bro, that thing is dosing. Wild.
Answer your question.
Okay, we know what to do after that.
Just turning the screen brightness down.
For shizzle.
Hey bro, I was feeling when I woke up this morning, my alarm went off so I could get ready for the big thing. I couldn't even, there was so much pain in my throat.
Oh my word.
And then my nose was just moved and my stomach was running, so I had to sit in the office there. And then after my stomach finished running, I took a hot shower, threw up. That was all in the space of like 30 minutes.
Yasti.
I was like, I don't know what the fuck is going on here.
Yeah.
But I need to try and dose. So just give me, I don't know, just let me. And then when I woke up, I felt like,
Pork. But you must dose yourself now already.
yeah, I already
Nah, same. If you can, get that concoction from. Wait, I'm gonna get the ingredients for you and then I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. Oh my god! Gold, bro! Let's go! Let's fucking go, boy! I'm gonna send it for you now, bro. Okay, I'm gonna George. Yes. Oh my word. We're not like him. They're not like us. Yanette, are you okay? No reason. Nah, if you didn't hear that, then you're fine. I'm gonna finish journal when the traders are completely done, because obviously still running those runners, boys. So let's see. Pippers and dippers shot for pulling up. I see the pippers and dippers have left. It's that same people that come and speak nonsense when I'm in drawdown or when I've lost a trade. Then they want to cry. But when I win all the time, they don't say anything. Same people. Why is it so slow? I think it's because it's a Honda, bro. Hondas is slow. That's why. Samir's lucky he's not here. Samir's lucky he's not in the thing. Carl's not here. Samir's also not here. The Honda boys is not here. Where's the Honda boys? Yeah, boys. So yeah, they got the money in the left. So we got TP1 hit, and then we pushed about 15 odd pips. I personally secured at 10, so that for me is a 10 pip trade. Let me just journal that quickly. What time is it now? What time did the TP get hit though? That's what I want to journal. 28, right? 10:28. GG's on that. GG's for those that caught it. GG's for those that learned today. Another beautiful dub. First of the month. We'll obviously just separate that. My computer guy will separate that for me. Guys, I've got a computer guy. I have my own personal computer guy. But GG's on that, boys. Absolutely slaughtered that entry. Which means I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day, boys. I made my money. I'm done. It's the first of the month. Nah, W Cookie. W to you, bro. W to you for pulling up to stream. And you're still here, which means you are learning. Zama, years to me now. So, dubs, boys. Dubs all around. Dubs for everybody. Hope that you've learned today. Now it's time for some Flaggle, then some Wordle, and then I'm done. Then I'm done. Then I can go and be a human outside. What do I want to do? Flaggle. First person to tell me where they're from in this world. I'll put your country here. What country are you from? Tell me. Okay, this guy just this guy just said South Africa. 0.3% match. No man, Zama. Next one says Sweden. Let's take that and we'll start working from Cookie. Thank you, Cookie. 30% Sweden. What country is this? It involves. What is this? Yeah, it's like a crown vibe with yellow in it, but a blue on top. I don't think it's the UK, boss. No. So, the top of the flag is blue. Where is my... Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein. Ah, I think he got it. Who did that? Nathan with the dub. Can we get W Nathan in the chat? You killed it, bro. Well done. I would have, and Yanet got it. I don't know who got that first. So two people got it. Yanet and Nathan with the Liechtenstein. So W Yanet. W Nathan, well done, guys. I would have never got that. I don't even know where that is. Where the flying fish is. Liechtenstein. That sounds like a Call of Duty map. That legit sounds like a COD map. Liechtenstein. What sounds like somewhere Arnold Schwarzenegger would be or some shit. Liechtenstein. Ich liebe dich. Okay, Wordle. Are you guys ready? His Google was fast. Are you guys Googling this shit? That's cheating. I will take that crown away. Yes, Vince, 2v2 on Goldilocks, boss. Alionet for Googling. L. Did you see this Wordle archive, which means you can play more Wordles? Like more than one Wordle? Guys in the Zoom, put Alionet for cheating. take that W back, Charles. Take it back. Yeah, Wordle. What can we do? Can we get some guesses here? What's 5-letter word? 5-letter word. Anybody for the first taker? Cheat. Away. Away, I'm with that one. Cheat. Now we're not speaking about you, Nathan. Don't worry. Nathan, you fine. You fine. Okay, so it involves a T, it involves a A. What can the 5-letter word be? Stalk. Oh, live stalkers. Nah, it's called Betway. Stalk. Chalk. No, can't be chalk. S-T-A. Stank. No. S-T-A. Any takers for the word? Enige mensies vir die woord. What can it be? Steak. Can't be steak. I'm gonna go with stock. Dun, 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 dun. I win. I win. I win. Tony Stark, I win. No, this is not my first Wordle. I won Wordle many times. W Google for Mars. So that is a TP and a Wordle. Beast, bro. But my guys, I'm going to love and leave you. It's my time. My time has arrived. We've hit targets on beautiful gold longs this morning. We've also won the Wordle. W Yanet. W Nathan. And W Wordle. I won't claim the victory. We'll leave the victory to the... Who was the last Wordle winner? I think it was Bex. Was it you? I can't remember who was the last Wordle winner. Can't remember. But anyways, first trade of the month, dub on that. Yeah, I'm pretty much done for the day, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. MFX members, I'll see you tomorrow. YouTube, I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. 8:30 GMT +2 for that London stream. If you aren't subbed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't liked the stream, do that now. If you want to level up your trading, in the description link is the mentorship course. I highly recommend that you get involved and trade as consistently as we do. But other than that, guys, have a blessed Monday. Yes, Charles, I'll be there now. Have a blessed Monday, boys and ladies. Seeing that we're getting a lot of female viewers as well. I think they're coming for Charles. I'm not sure, but I think they're coming for Charles. But have a lovely day, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Cheers. God bless. Sharp. Bye bye.